Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to find NASDAQ in TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. Only one day left in this deal. So if you are interested, make sure that you use the link and explore the offers. Now, when you are here on tradingview.com, you need to first of all log into your account if you haven't already. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply look for NASDAQ 100. So here click on the search icon. Now simply type NASDAQ 100. You will find NASDAQ 100 index. So click on the option of launch chart and the NASDAQ chart will be here in front of you. You can also click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click on the option of this plus icon. Over here you can just look for the other abbreviations here, like we have NDX and here it is NASDAQ as well. So click on the plus icon in order to add the chart in your watch list. Now you can click on this particular extension and the chart will appear here in front of you. So this way you will be able to find NASDAQ in TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.